Hello there everyone, and welcome back to the ACOLYTE Sabers channel. Thank you for joining us once again. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for dropping by as always. If you're new around here, thanks for clicking the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and leave your comments down below. So in this one, we are bringing back some sound font demos. Brand new sound font pack from our friend Kyberphonic. Massive shout out to him. Guys, this pack from the ACOLYTE is insane value. 9 sound fonts. $20. 9 sound fonts, $20. So from all the way through the ACOLYTE, you've got Kelnacca, you've got Torbin, you've got Soul, you've got the Stranger / Chimera, spoiler alert, sorry guys, you've got Vernestra, you've got Osha, you have got Jecki, and you've got Yord. Am I missing someone? Probably. Absolutely blessed to call him a friend, and massive thank you to you, Jesse, for giving me these to demo for you. Little known fact, I actually did the quotes on this bundle for Jesse. He reached out to me a couple of weeks back and asked me if I'd like to do that for him. I jumped on it, I said yes, absolutely. So it was great to work with him, for him, however you want to put it. And hopefully you guys that enjoy quotes, I've done a good job for you, so you guys can let me know if you pick up this bundle, did I do a good job on the quotes for this one. So in terms of demoing this whole package for you, we have a brand new demo Saber. This Saber comes courtesy of my good friends BatMando and Dallin Saber Stories. Go and check them out. I'll leave links in the description below to their socials. A very kind and lovely gift. They knew I've been wanting one for quite some time. I didn't get to pick one up, and I will be reviewing this at some point as well. So we are doing this full demo on the AZ Sabers Stony Magnum Vendari, or Vendari, however you want to pronounce it. In my opinion, the best sounding Saber out there, at least that I've heard. So what better way to introduce this to the channel than with a fantastic Kyberphonic sound bundle. Anyway guys, let's get into it. This is the Power of Many bundle from Kyberphonic. Hope you enjoy.
Master Soul.
I really like the hum on Soul's one. And the swing, there's something different about them. The hum is almost like Anakin's from episode 2, but not as harsh. Those blaster blocks are actually arrow blocks. We hear the bows right at the end. And that's a theme throughout this package, obviously. Because there were no blasters in ACOLYTE. There was a stun gun, stun ray, but no actual pew-pews. Chimera. That hum is different. I actually said this to Jesse. It reminds me of one that our friend Kieran did a while back called Second Strike. That was for Starlight Sabers. The hum just sounds really raspy and dirty and almost mechanical. This one's got the stun gun through the back end of the blasters. Accurate lockup as well from episode 8. Love it. Let's hear that ignition one more time. Now there is an alternative hum that you can put onto this. It has two different hums. The hum on episode 5, I believe, is a bit different. But this is my favourite one. Yeah, really digging this one. Love it. Absolutely love it.
Master Indara.
Indara's is quite generic. Different in places. Her blasters have got the knives dropping to the floor or being deflected. Love that, that's cool. Jesse always does such a great job at the finer details such as the blasters. It's definitely a strong point of his. Sounds. And obviously Force Lightning, there was none in the show, so a very generic Force Lightning sound through the entire pack, but you have to have it. Yeah, really nice.
My name is Yord Fandar, Knight of the Jedi Order.
Yord Fandar, Knight of the Jedi Order. This one's different, as you can probably hear. Very different. Probably one of my favourites in the pack, Yord. Very, very different. Again, get those arrows going through the back end of the blocks. Yeah, very nice again. Jecki. Another one that's quite generic, but a little bit different in places. Our blasters also have the arrows going through the back end. Nice. Osha. Probably my favourite one from the whole pack. This one's got a very special feature, especially if you're on Proffie. You can also get this particular blade style through FET263's website. So obviously we've seen the whole scene leading to the crystal. We won't get into it. Some of you didn't like it. I loved it. And Jesse over at Kyberphonic has created something quite special for Proffie. So starts off as souls. And in the show, when the Saber starts to kind of go red, it kind of gradually turns into Chimere's kind of Saber sound. So we can do this. I just love this. And it will change. The transition sounds so good. You pick up that change and hum when it completes. Love that feature. Absolutely love that feature.
Padawan Torbin.
Torbin. Obi-Annie Torbin. How's this different too? really like the hum on this one. It's not overly generic, but you know, it is, but it's got some differences to it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Master Vernestra.
Master Vernestra. This one is very, very different. Kind of a mixture, Dark Saber, Ahsoka kind of thing. The accent swings on this one are kind of whip sounds from the show, which there's only a couple, but Jesse's done a great job, a fantastic job of putting this together. So this is Vernestra. Fourth sound in this one's when she kind of whips back and cuts that critter in half. Love it. A couple different ones. Loving that one.
Kelnacca.
So again, quite generic. Couple kind of total differences in there, but I like it. Again, you've got those arrows for the blocks. Whole package, guys, fantastic. So let's head back. I'll give you my final thoughts on the Power of Many bundle, inspired by Star Wars The Acolyte from Kyberphonic. There we have it, folks. That was the Power of Many bundle from Kyberphonic. 9 fonts, $20, guys. I know the show is quite divisive, but you've got some awesome sound fonts in this package. Definitely go and show your support. Go and pick it up. $20, 9 fonts. I can't say it anymore. I sound like a broken record. Favourites in this one, I love Chimera / The Stranger. The Sith always has the coolest sound fonts. I don't know why that is. I love that one. I love the Osha version obviously as well, which is for Proffie. That transition is cool. Divisive, but cool. I really enjoy Yord sound font as well. Very, very different. Very kind of gritty. Vernestra too. Torbin's is quite a little bit different also. Likes of Jecki, Kelnacca, Indara, they're quite generic, but with little differences kind of through that. Where this sound font package really shines is the little details in it. So the likes of with the blasters, for example, the bows, the stun gun, all that kind of stuff. The knives on Indara's dropping to the floor or being deflected away. Little details is what sets these type of packages apart, guys. This is what sets the likes of Kyberphonic apart from the rest of the pack. So yeah, absolutely loving this one. Massive thank you again to Jesse over at Kyberphonic for giving us this. I do have a few more to do for him, which I will get to very shortly. We've got a bunch of Saber reviews coming out, and I mean a bunch. We're talking 10 plus. Most of them are now ready, so I will start dropping them shortly. But yeah, as for this one, definitely go and pick up the Power of Many bundle, folks. It is obviously available for Proffie, CFX, Verso, Xeno, SN Pixel. You can do a stereo with it as well. Yeah, no matter what soundboard you've got, there's no excuse not to pick this one up. Before I finish up though, let me know in the comments below from this demo what sound fonts from the package did you like the most. Anyway, that's it for this one. Massive thank you to Kyberphonic once again. We'll be back shortly with some more sound font demos. In the meantime, enjoy the upcoming content and Saber reviews. I'll catch you guys in the next one. May the Force be with you all.